Welcome to the Canvas 6. This stunning, bright white, modern farmhouse home is move-in ready in our Canvas on the Bluffs gated neighborhood at Copper River Ranch. This home features 4 bedrooms plus an upstairs loft or bonus room, 3 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Let's go take a look inside. Right off the entry, you have a spacious bedroom, a full bathroom, and an incredible under staircase storage closet. Now, as we make our way into this open concept living space, you'll find a spacious great room that connects you to the dining space and this beautiful bright white kitchen that features an island with quartz countertops. You'll find white cabinets throughout, a beautiful tile backsplash, Whirlpool stainless steel appliances, including this 5-burner gas cooktop, microwave, and dishwasher. And you have a spacious corner walk-in pantry. Upstairs, you'll find this spacious loft or bonus room that's a perfect game room for the kids or a home office. And your steps from this incredible master suite that connects you to this true oasis that features a large tiled-in tub, a spacious step-in shower, beautiful quartz countertops and white cabinets, and additional cabinet space to store your towels and toiletries. And the cherry on top, and my favorite room, you have this incredible walk-in closet. And right off the master bedroom is a hallway that connects you to 2 additional bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a laundry room. This bright white modern farmhouse Canvas 6 home is available in our Canvas on the Bluffs gated neighborhood at Copper River Ranch, and it's just up the street from the beautiful community park. This home includes 4 bedrooms plus an upstairs loft or bonus room, 3 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Plus, it includes some incredible designer features and upgrades and even has window coverings and a fully landscaped backyard. Contact our Copper River sales office for more information.